Hi, I'm Sherwin. Thanks for coming to take another tutorial here online. This dance is called Sugar and Spice. It's choreographed by Roy Verdonk, Joe Kinzer, and Jeff Camps. It is 32 counts, improver level, 4 walls. It does have one easy tag and a restart. So I'm going to turn around and let's get started. This dance starts moving forward. You take your right foot, we're going to do 2 skate steps. So you push off, and you push off like you're skating, and then to the right diagonal, a shuffle, step, together, step. Same thing on the left. You're going to skate, and step, together, step. Okay? Same thing with counts. It's your first date. We have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I'm a little bit crowded here, so I'm going to back up again. Second count of 8, you take a jazz square. The right foot's going to come over, right, left, left foot over. Those are all even counts. Step to the right foot, side, step, quarter turn forward, left, forward. Following your left shoulder to 6 o'clock, your right foot will do a side chasse or shuffle, step, together, step. Go over that again with counts, break some of that down. So your jazz square has 4 weight changes, crossing 1, 2, 3, 4. Separate 5, forward, left, 6, turning 7 and 8. Now I know I turned my back on you on that part, so when you do that last part of it, it's just a side shuffle, right, together, right. Okay? How about we put those 2 8s together and see how that feels. Right foot, 6, 7, 8, skate, right, left, shuffle, 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, shuffle, 7, jazz box goes 1, 2, 3, go to the right, go to the left, 6, side, 7 and 8. You're at 6 o'clock, you've done a cha-cha-cha to your right, all your weight is on your right foot. Okay? Now I'll stay at this wall to show it to you, then I'll flip it to make sure you can see it. I'm going to move over a little bit. Because you're on your right, your energy is going to the right, you keep going to the right. Take that left foot and cross behind like you're starting a grapevine. Go back, side, cut behind and side. The left foot is going to take you over into a Samba, crossing left, right, left. So a Samba step crosses in front, side, rock. Let me turn my back so you can follow that right away. Your weight's on your right foot. You've just finished your chasse 7 and 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'll show you what comes next so you can follow it here. Take your right foot over on 5. Now we're going to turn the other way a quarter, step back, 6, into a pony, and that pony goes 7 and 8. The way we do a pony is we settle on one foot, do a little hitch, push off, and do another little hitch. So it goes ya, da, da. Yeah? So I'm at the wrong wall, but that way you can see it. We cut behind, it goes back, side, Samba step, cross 5, back 6, pony 7 and 8. We'll be at this wall facing 6, left foot goes behind, 1, 2, cross 3 and 4, 5, right shoulder back, 7 and 8. Okay, back to the top. 5, 6, 7, here we go. And a 1, 2, a 3 and 4, a 5, 6, a 7, jazz square goes 1, 2, 3 to the right, go to the left, 6 o'clock, cross back, back, side, Samba, left, right, left, over, back, pony step. We're almost there. That's 3 8s. One more count of 8. So we're at 3 o'clock. Your weight's on your right. Rock back on your left foot. Rock, recover. 1, 2. Following your right shoulder, a turning shuffle to get to, you're at 9 o'clock. I might have said 3, but you're at 9. You're going to get to 3. And turn it step, together, step. Okay? So that's your turning shuffle. So after I've done my pony, 7 and 8, I'm weighted back to go 1, 2, travel to my right, 3 and 4. I'm weighted back to finish the dance. Take that right foot, take a big step back on 5. You're going to drag your foot in on 6. Left foot comes in. On 7 and 8, you're going to do a ball step with the left foot. Left, right, left. So it's ball, step, step. Okay? Going over that count of 8. I've just finished my pony on 7 and 8. Rock back. 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4. Drag 5, 6 and 7, 8. You're here to go skate. And that's your new wall. Okay? Let's go back to the beginning. Put it all together. We'll go kind of slowly. Here we go. I'm going to back up a little bit so I have a little bit more room for that first step. 6, 7, 8, skate. 1, 2, shuffle. 3 and 4, skate. 5, 6, shuffle. Now the jazz square. Go 1, 2, 3 to the right and travel to your left. Face 6 o'clock, cross behind. 1, 2, samba. 3 and 4, cross right. Pony. 7 and 8, rock, recover, shuffle, turn. 3 and 4, drag it out. 6, ball, step, here we go. Go 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4 and 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Box 1, stay at the wall. 3, 4, now move to your left. You're at 9 o'clock. Go back, side, samba step. Go to 12 o'clock with your pony step. Rock, recover, triple turn, back. 6 and 7, 8. Then you're there, right? So that's 2 walls. Now, as I said, there is one tag that happens during wall 5. So wall 5 is when you get back to 12 o'clock. And you dance 12 counts. And then there's a super easy tag. So let's do the 12 counts together. So you do the first count of 8, which is 1, 2, a 3 and 4, 5, 6, a 7 and 8. Second count of 8, just the jazz square. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to step out on your right and you're just going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So you take it out, you do little sways on that, and then you start the dance again. And you can kind of hear the music, okay? So again, you do it during wall 5, through the jazz box, which leaves you here, and then you go out and wave and wave and wave. That's the only one, and then you start the dance again, and yeah, then you do it. That's all good. So we're going to try this with a little bit of music, and the song is called, oh my goodness, what is the song called? How embarrassing. The song is called Milky Way. Ha! And there are 3 artists, Dagana, I don't know if I pronounced that right, Abby F. Jones, and Jay Fonseca. Okay, and the song is Milky Way. All right, I'm going to get the music, and we will get started. 16 counts. Here we go. 6, 7, skate. Cha-cha. Jazz box. Pick it out. Circle. Come behind. Samba. Pony. Drop the turn. Slide. Here we go.
When the summer sun comes out to rain,
Pick it out.
on the music from the speakers play. It's what makes me feel some kind of way. So watch me wind it down right here and say, tell me I read it to me and sugar and spice. Do we got it in and watch me do it. I'm yours this evening.
And stop.
Tell me I read it to me, I party all night. I need the watch me move. I mean, on the seats,
Start it back. Ball step. Walk. Jazz box. Along the right, left shoulder. Pony. Slide. 12 counts to your tag. Here we go, 4 more. Here's your tag. Up
When the rain outside is for a day,
and across.
the music that we love will still be playing.
Take it back.
Supersonic feeling still remains.
Turn.
So watch me wind it down and say, tell me about your boy. I read it to me and sugar and spice. So good I can eat and watch me drop. I'm yours this evening, yeah. Tell me about your girl. I read it to me, a party all night.
Oh yeah. All right, so that is how you dance the dance Sugar and Spice. Thank you so much for coming here to my channel to check things out. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. All that's cool. And if you are in the Los Angeles area, that is where I teach, so please look me up and I'll see you on the dance floor.